Let me show you real quick how KnowReply works. The first thing you want to do is you want to connect all your social media accounts, which you can do from the settings or from the onboarding steps. Now, this will allow all the DMs that are sent to your social media accounts to also show up in this view. The second thing you want to do is you want to upload a knowledge base. That is really any files that you might have about your product or service or yourself. They don't have to be in any specific format as long as the system can read them. After doing that, you're basically set to go. This is the main view of the platform. As you can see, it looks more or less like any other inbox that you have ever used, with one important difference, which is this little blue badge here that says AI triage match. Now, every time there is a message coming in, the AI agent will automatically assess that message against your knowledge base to sort of estimate whether it can be answered or not, purely based on information that exists in your knowledge base. Now, at this point, nothing is really happening in the sense of actually sending replies. We are just sort of receiving messages and assessing them initially. What I can do next is I can switch on the auto-reply functionalities up here. And when I do that, the auto-reply agent will start to filter, will start to select some candidates based on the AI triage match score. Like in this case, it's only above 82%, for example. And then it will actually try to produce an answer, and it will assess its own answer. Some of these answers will be put into the outgoings queue, and some of them will be skipped. Let me show you exactly what happened when I open the detailed view. This is the outgoings queue. So these are responses that have passed all checks and that are set to be sent. Like this one is going to be sent in 40 seconds, this one is going to be sent in 4 minutes. But this view gives you a chance to go through all of these drafted answers and just check them very quickly. Now, if you don't do anything, these messages will be sent in X amount of time. You can actually set it from here. But of course, you can stop them from being sent, you can edit them, you can do a number of things. Now there is another queue here. Well, there is obviously the sent ones. There is also the skipped queue. This is quite interesting because despite the fact that there was an initial sort of positive assessment with the triage, it is possible that the AI maybe didn't really find a really good answer after all, after looking into everything and sort of thinking about the information available. Now, why this is useful? Because it gives you some information about pieces of data that you might want to add to your knowledge base based on the kind of questions that you're receiving from your clients. That's it. I hope this can be of help if you are dealing with a lot of DMs being sent to your social media accounts.